Hi HTVRONT fans, my name is Megan. Definitely my kids. I was spending a lot of money buying t-shirts for my kids, and so I thought that I could save money and make them myself. So every time I would purchase vinyl, I would usually purchase it from Amazon, and I would just like type in the color of the vinyl that I needed, and I would just buy whatever had good reviews. And I never really paid attention to what the brands were until one time I got in a heat transfer vinyl, and I remember thinking to myself like, wow, that's really thin, like on the t-shirts. It wasn't thick, it wasn't heavy, and I was really impressed because a lot of times people don't necessarily like the feel of vinyl on the shirts, but HTVRONT vinyl is literally almost feels like a screen print, so it's not heavy. And I was like, oh, I need to pay attention to this brand so I can purchase it again.
Oh, cool.
Definitely the sublimation paper and I guess the vinyl, but I use the sublimation paper the most. I don't necessarily know that I have expectations, but I will say I have been really happy with all of the HTVRONT products, so I can only imagine that Locklick will be the same. I'll be very happy with, the cutting machine, and I've been really happy with my heat press, so I expect that they'll do great things.